Good evening, everyone. I'm Riley King, and welcome to my evening news report right here on the Riley King Network. Let's begin. Iconic Seabrook restaurant on schedule to reopen despite flooding. Despite flooding from last weekend's nor'easter, an iconic restaurant on the seacoast still plans to open its doors this month. Brown's Lobster Pound shut down last August after a fire tore through the Seabrook restaurant. It is expected to reopen on March 23rd. In a post on Facebook, owners said the recent storm caused some water damage, but nothing to affect their upcoming opening date. And here is a look at what they wrote on Facebook. And that does it for my evening news report right here on the Riley King Network. I hope you all have a great rest of your evening, and I'll see you back here tomorrow with more news reports. Good night, everyone. Bye.